All right, so guys, as I said, let us go right into Milimani City. Let us see the wonders of Milimani City right here in Dar es Salaam, Tanzania. So guys, whenever you are in Tanzania, it is always good to take a tour of the region to see how the place looks like. Because in our channel, it is about promoting Africa and Africa at large. So apart from just showing the beautiful infrastructure that is going on, more of culture also goes in handy. So guys, whenever you are in Tanzania, remember to take a tour over the Milimani City right here in Dar. Oh God, this is a cool place to me. It is a beautiful place. In Tanzania here, they usually say Nzuri. That is what I've heard most people say. So it is a beautiful place to be. You really need to come and visit this place. Promote our neighbor country. That is if you're coming from another country apart from Tanzania. So Milimani City is actually one of the largest malls, air conditioned right here in Tanzania. You go to Nairobi, you are going to find many of them, but right here, Milimani City, it is one of the largest mall right here. This place, I'm telling you, it's so beautiful. It's cool. I told you, one of the largest malls, air conditioned, right here in Dar es Salaam, Tanzania. I'm liking what I'm seeing. Inside here, be sure you are going to find some of best products, some of the best products inside here. Even banks, ATMs, the travel companies are all here. You can buy your electronics inside here, your phones. Whoa, 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 whoa. So guys, welcome to Milimani City. Oh, they do open on Sundays. This is Yes, formerly Tigo. Sometime back I used to think that if you go to Kenya you're going to find Airtel Kenya. I used to think it is the same thing. No. Airtel Tanzania, you just have to roam within Tanzania. Mr. Discount. I kept on telling you guys, even if it means getting lost, then this is the place I'd rather get lost. I like it. Sorry. I can assure you the environment inside, it is different from the outside. The outside it's too hot, the inside it's cool. That is how it feels, or rather what it means to have a mall that has been air conditioned. So this is a quick tour of Milimani City right here in Salaam Tanzania. For some time I used to admire, I used to, like, for the 2 times I've been in Dar, actually this is my third time to be in Dar, and this is the longest time in Dar. Actually I finished a week, so I really have to explore this place. So I already made an exit. Now which direction am I? Because, I mean, where am I? I've already made an exit, and let me see. I told you guys I'm going to use Google Maps only. Nothing but just Google Maps. I think I need to go up there. I think so.